We've been testing Best Washing Machines 2024, digging deep into the latest flavors of AMD processor, NVIDIA graphics silicon, and we know which notebooks sing and which are just tone deaf. We're not just talking about sleek, expensive new machines either. We've picked a range of washing machines 2024 at different price points to highlight which give you the best bang for buck and which are just outright awesome. To help you find the right model, we've listed the top best washing machines 2024 and their key features, plus the things you need to consider to help you choose the best one for you. And as always, you can check pricing for any of these products in the description below. Like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Now let's get started. Number 5. Samsung Smart Front Load Washer and Stackable Gas Dryer. For years now, doing laundry has been a ritual of guesswork. You guess what wash and dry setting is right for the items you want to clean. You guess how much detergent is the right amount for what you're washing. You guess how long each cycle is going to take. All of these guesses can lead to a lot of issues. Jeans ruined, sweaters shrunk, clothes coming out smelling just like they did before. It's been the same routine for years, so much so that I thought, well, every single washer and dryer is just inherently flawed. But then I met Samsung's bespoke washer and dryer with AI OptiWash. More on that in a bit. These machines promise to take the guesswork out of laundry, with ultra-smart settings all wrapped up in a super high-end looking package. But are they really worth the more than $2,000 price tag? What makes a washer and dryer worth that much anyway? We tried the machines to find out. The ultra-smart washer and dryer combo from Samsung promises to take the guesswork out of laundry using AI and features like auto-dispensing detergent to make laundry easier than ever. I've never thought a washer-dryer combo could be truly aesthetically appealing, but as it sits now in our basement among every other unit's plain white machines, well, it is. The brushed navy model that I received, it's available in silver and forest green too. Literally sparkles. All the controls are on neat touchscreens that even I, a very non-techie person, could easily understand and maneuver. When stacked on top of one another, the single dial in between the machines controls both, a lifesaver for people who aren't very tall. So you can oscillate between changing the settings of the dryer and washer at the tap of a button. If they're placed next to one another, each machine has its own touchscreen and dial. The dial is what changes the many settings for each machine, and you can further customize your wash or dry cycle, temperature, spin speed, etc. via the touchscreen. Number 4. LG Signature WM9500HK and DLEX 9500K. Introducing the LG Signature WM9500HK and DLEX 9500K washing machine set, the ultimate laundry duo for the modern home. The WM9500HK front-loading washing machine boasts a sleek and sophisticated design, featuring a spacious 5.8 cubic foot capacity and turbo wash technology for a deep clean in half the time. With this advanced True Balance anti-vibration system, you can trust that this washing machine will operate quietly and efficiently. Pair it with the DLEX 9500K electric dryer, which offers a generous 9.0 cubic foot capacity and true steam technology to reduce wrinkles and odors. With the sensor dry system, you can rest assured that your clothes will be perfectly dry every time. Both machines are ENERGY STAR certified, ensuring eco-friendly operation while still delivering outstanding performance. Upgrade your laundry room with the LG Signature WM9500HK and DLEX 9500K washing machine set and experience the ultimate in convenience, efficiency, and style. Number 3. Electrolux Smart Boost Front Load Washer and Stackable Electric Dryer. Upgrade your laundry routine with the Electrolux Smart Boost Front Load Washer and Stackable Electric Dryer, known as the best washing machines on the market. This innovative duo combines cutting-edge technology with sleek design to provide superior cleaning and drying performance. The front-load washer features Smart Boost technology, which premixes water and detergent before it enters the drum to ensure a deep and thorough clean for your clothes. With a spacious capacity and multiple wash cycles, you can easily tackle large loads and delicate fabrics with ease. The stackable electric dryer offers efficient drying power while saving space in your laundry room. With customizable settings and a moisture sensor, you can achieve perfectly dried clothes every time without over-drying. Plus, the reversible door allows for flexible installation options to fit your space. Say goodbye to laundry day headaches with the Electrolux Smart Boost Front Load Washer and Stackable Electric Dryer, the best washing machines for a hassle-free and effective laundry experience. Number 2. LG Wash Tower Laundry Center. When LG announced the LG Wash Tower last October, our cool new product alarm bells rang. And now that it has hit the market, and we've had a chance to test it out ourselves, we are excited to tell you why we recommend it. For starters, the LG Wash Tower WKX200HBA, available at ad for $1,799, makes shopping for washers and dryers a lot easier, as in you only have to buy one machine rather than two. It is a fully integrated laundry center, meaning it's all one piece rather than two stacked pieces, featuring a stack design to help it fit into smaller spaces. Also, the washer coordinates with the dryer to automatically assign cycles. If you aren't the type to fiddle with all the cycle customization options, this small efficiency becomes a boon. The Wash Tower offers solid washing and drying capabilities and uses a lot less energy and water than average. We don't see many washer-dryer pairs that feature such great performance at such a low price. If you're looking for other options and don't mind paying extra, we recommend checking out the Samsung WF45R6100A and Samsung DVE45R6100C. While the LG Wash Tower WKAX200HBA has a relatively unique design, it won't look alien to anyone who's done laundry in an apartment complex. The integrated stacked single unit features a washer on the bottom, a dryer on the top, and a control panel in the middle, just at the perfect height. Speaking of the control panel, it is made entirely of LEDs, and it is very easy to read. The digital buttons respond with a light touch, are large enough to push easily, and have a nice layout, with the cycle buttons on the left and the customization options off to the right. This unit feels great to use, from the controls to the swing of its doors to the quiet cycles in either partition. Number 1. LG Smart Wi-Fi enabled front load washer and dryer. Introducing the LG Smart Wi-Fi enabled front load washer and dryer, the best washing machines on the market. With innovative technology and sleek design, these appliances will revolutionize the way you do laundry. The LG Smart Washer and Dryer is equipped with Wi-Fi connectivity, allowing you to remotely control and monitor your laundry from anywhere using the LG Think app. This feature lets you start or stop cycles, receive notifications when your laundry is done, and even download new wash cycles for customized cleaning options. With a spacious capacity and advanced cleaning technologies, these machines can handle large loads of laundry with ease. The front load design is gentle on clothes and delivers a superior clean every time. Plus, the dryer features sensor dry technology to prevent over-drying and protect your clothes from damage. Say goodbye to tedious laundry tasks and hello to effortless washing with the LG Smart Wi-Fi enabled front load washer and dryer. Upgrade your laundry room with the best washing machines on the market today.